So many have seen these shorts going around. Today we're going to upgrade your shorts with an app called varkshorts. Firstly, you'll need a computer. Then you need to make sure your 3D model is in .vrm format so that it works with the software, and become familiar where that file is located on your computer as well. Secondly, go to the description and click the link that says varkshorts. Download to your desired location and open. Follow the prompts to download the application. It will prompt you to load a VRM file. Select that option and find your model. It will then appear within the box. Click it and hit Start with this avatar. You'll see some sliders on the right hand side. Here you can adjust the size and position of your model. If you make a mistake, there is an undo button on the bottom left above the timeline. You can also adjust the facial features by clicking on that section of the timeline. Make sure you're also viewing this part of the timeline as well. The bookmark shape should line up with where you're editing. If it doesn't automatically do this, you can manually do it by clicking and dragging the bookmark shape to where you're working. Much like the face, you can sometimes change the words that appear on the short by clicking those elements on the timeline. Just look for the letters that correspond with what's on the screen. And that's pretty much it. Press play to see if it looks okay, and then click export. Here you can change the file name, save location, etc., and export the video ready to be used. Well, that's all the basics you need to know, so go mess around in varkshorts and have fun, everyone.